what it is. Only getting some back. Ooh. Come on. Ooh. Come on. How cool is this? Come on, I just want to see your number plate, boy. Come on. Oh, he's going to the bottom. Oh, back down. Ay. Come on, young fella. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty big. It's times like these, so I'm really happy I got my collars on. Pointing this bugger back up. Whoa. This pen 950. This sounding a bit sorry. Just lying there. Lord. More drag on that. I just have to fight it. That's it. Just have to play it till it's tired. Getting some back now. Man, look at this rod. Can't put more drag on this on it. And this is a 15 kg rod. If you might lofty, mate, this rod for me. Come on, I'm not going to play with the drag. My drag is set right, everything is set right. If I'm going to put too much pressure on it, then something's going to break. So I'll use my drag, just try and get him up. He's got massive head shakes. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a shark, I don't know. But then I've only got nylon on it. If it was a shark, you would have put through it by now. Come on, old mate. Come back. Got some bad memories like this. I was in Ghana fishing blue marlin, and I hooked a big marlin, and it went down 600 meters with my dad, and I had to fight it up 600 meters. That dead weight took me hours. Finally landed it. This is fishing. This is what it's all about. Come on, show me your number plate. There's some tunas jumping over there. Oh, I don't know. Can't see. Come on, boy. I'm winning. I'm getting some back. Getting some back. Come on. Just keep tension on it. Try and get him up. There's it. What is that? Oh, it looks like a shark or something. Can't see what it is. I just saw something silver. That's it. Oh, it's a shark. Bloody hell. A massive freaking shark. Look at that thing. Oh man, it's a big shark. Oh, come on. Oh, now that I know what it is, I'm going to put some drag on. Oh, it's a big shark. Come on. Massive bloody shark. Jeez, like this thing is as big as my ski. Oh my goodness. Just want to get a picture. Oh, come up. Just came in. That's why there's no bait at the bottom. It was just these guys patrolling me and just taking whatever comes around. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. It's a big shark. Better watch me feed. Hold it, boy. There's my knife. There's my leader. Oh. Look at that beast. Oh, that tail. Oh, yeah.